Good morning. This is Philip Jauch from the new Moxa booth. Welcome all of the machine builders, system integrators, shop floor owners, you name it actually. We're happy to be here again at SPS in Nuremberg. This is the first day. We just started right now. We already feel the buzz that is happening. And there's something new from the Moxa part itself. Actually, first of all, we are in a new booth in a new hall. So hall number 5 and then 208. This is where you can find us. It is opposite of the PI near EtherCAT or the CC Link guys. Analog devices are here. So this is the hall for industrial communication, and this is why we're here, because this is what we want to show. So what we prepared actually for this year is we went like big. So we have like the wall where we say you can have like the full portfolio of industrial switches from the field level to the top level. 62443, this is where we're going for cybersecurity, smart switches, new unmanaged switches. And actually, because we still have the smallest switch that is happening for industrial automation, we want you to experience that. So you can come here, and we have this as a giveaway. If you want to have one for your machines or your applications, come here, talk to us. This is what we're here for. So we are happy to get also feedback about that. What we want to also do is we have some special presenters and applications here. And I would say we just start actually, and let our guys share some details. Come on, follow me. Hi, Muhammad.
Hello.
So we show a lot about industrial communication. When I see here, we have a robot, we have some black boxes. What is it about?
Okay. First of all, this is all about future-proof. So here we are representing future-proof networking portfolio that includes some routers and switches. Here we have some EDS 4000 and EDR G9010.
So managed switches, firewall,
the next generation firewall, including routers with the next generation firewall. And all of these devices are IEC 62443 certified. Not only this, but all on top, we are security level 2 certified.
Okay, that's good.
So pretty much this, which includes EDS 4000, we have here on the wall as well. It has a great value when it comes to the usability and installation. As you can see, it is having a rotatable and easily removable power supply, which is a very good for installation. Either you can install from upwards or from the front.
Yeah. So this is like I can do it like this or like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It works perfectly fine with that. And also, in case of any failures, you can easily replace it on the field.
So you don't have to change the whole device, because this is normally what goes wrong.
Yeah. Okay. Furthermore, and if you come here, here we have also 90 watt PoE++ available on EDS 4000. And furthermore, if you go here to the right, it is an EDR G9010 with having a very secure next generation firewall, which is having a unique feature of intrusion prevention system and intrusion detection system. Okay. Having IPS and IDS, we are generating some demonstrations here which we can prove that robotic arm works perfectly fine in case of some attacks. Okay. And if you are not enabling IPS and IDS, the functionality of robotic arm will be getting disturbed. So for the audience, please visit us to really witness themselves and see the robotic arm.
You can see the arm actually shake, or we can make sure that it's working as it should with the IPS.
Yeah.
So that's a smart way of doing it.
Furthermore, maybe I can talk about MXV1.
Please.
So when it comes to the management, this is highly important. We have a great network management software called MXV1. And here we are having a turbo ring, which is showing comprised of switches and network redundancy proprietary protocol. And as you can see here, it is also showing a security view, with which we can easily examine the devices which are configured in a securely manner or not.
Thank you very much for the short introduction.
Thank you.
And if you are here walking by, just give him a short heads up, and we go. Let's go to the next presenter. Thanks for staying with us. Kuyan. That is our guy for all of the secure control cabinet communication, because you see communication is going from the field level to the ERP level, actually all the way up. And this is our specialized portfolio, I heard, very close to the PLCs, to the HMIs. Tell me something about it.
So, Philip, good morning. As you can see, we have brought our latest products that can help customers to create a secure and reliable network. What we have noticed, the cabinet size are getting smaller and smaller. So all our devices come with a compact size that can help customer to have more space for more devices. But nothing has been compromised. All these devices have industrial design. So it means that they can withstand with harsh environment like very low temperature or high temperature or even electromagnetic interference. Here, for example, we have EDS 2000 series, one of the smallest unmanaged switches that we have in the market. So this switch with the small size even have quality of service and broadcast storm protection that can help customer to have a reliable network. We have SPS 3000 series as a entry-level managed switches, brings more functionalities like a security feature as well as redundancy. We have AWK products for creating and building a reliable wireless network. So to sum up, I would say that the devices that we have coming with compact size, they have industrial design, rugged design, but the more important thing is reliability and security that we emphasize cabinet builder consider when they want to purchase devices.
So it's like the full set of toolboxes you can have. It's just
Yeah.
about connectivity, security, remote connectivity, you name it.
Yes.
You can
All-
choose one of those.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, Puyana, about the short introduction.
No problem.
So, next, hello, Ruth.
Hello.
I'm happy to have you here. We talked right now about the more sophisticated networking. We talked about the basic connectivity. What sometimes is missing is when it's about old machines, also like what we still have in the field. We still have a lot of serial connectivity. We have serial communication, legacy, retrofitting, and trusted serial partner is something that we claim ourselves. Please tell me something about what machine builder system integrators can do when trying to retrofit.
Yeah, sure. So we have everything that our customers need for their data requirements. So whether it's for serial to Ethernet, data collection in the field, or protocol conversion. And also, if you want to take your data to the cloud, we have an IoT AIG product. And if you want to have an open platform, we've got the Moxa Industrial Linux open platform for programming applications on top as well. So we really have this comprehensive portfolio and everything that a customer needs for their data requirements. So we're a one-stop shop, really.
Cool. So the full flexibility, because this is Endport is sometimes one of those products that it's widely known because it's so easy actually to get something out of it and to connect via Ethernet. While still being these are like the new ones. So it's like also 62443 is a topic here.
Yes.
We're happy to do this like in the whole line.
Yeah.
M-Gates are really like going from Ethernet IP to Modbus to Profinet, you name it actually. Also from serial to Ethernet or changing here. And if you really have a lot of engineers can dig deep, then those industrial platforms are actually a cool thing because you can do even way more. That is cool. So also new portfolio.
Yeah. These are the products we have, some examples of the products we have on the truck today.
Yeah.
But we've got a lot in store. We've got some new Generation 2 products coming out. This M-Gate, the 5134 and the 5435 was launched last year. You can see that on the wall over there. And we've got a next generation secure terminal server as well coming out next year.
Okay.
Which will be certified.
So you're a go-to woman when it's about retrofitting anything with serial. So if somebody is watching that and having some questions, please stop by, ask Ruth. She's our expert here. Happy to have you here. Thanks.
Thank you.
So next presenter, and I welcome myself because we're happy to announce that we partner now with Bosch Rexroth with the Control X. We're happy to also start in this ecosystem, bringing valuable actually solutions to the machine builder in the Rexroth family. So we have here the Control X Core, where we did like the first application together with the NA2 102. What is important here is that we say it is actually the best combination from future-proof automation as well as future-proof communication, because what it's about is like saving time. So every time you have like a serial machine with like same IP addresses normally, you would have to change them, and those service engineers, if they go out, you have to document everything. This could ease your pain. Doesn't matter if it's like already
Really?
deployed in the field,
Did I
because
look?
the
I
NAT
was so
can make sure
nervous.
that you have the same IP addresses here. This guy takes over and says, actually, I reroute those IP addresses, I relabel those packets and make sure that you can get them easily deployed, while also having firewall features,
Did it pop
making
up
sure
then?
that it's secure. So you can connect to the bigger plant, to the bigger lines, and be happy about this. You can find this in the Controlix ecosystem as a how-to right now. Also talk with Bosch Rexroth, because we are there now, but you can also talk to us if you want to know more. And we're happy actually to finally be in and join the big ecosystem and family of Bosch Rexroth. Next, we go to our last presenter. First of all, hi Amjad.
Hello.
He is our IoT guru. For the last years, I think he can program everything. Doesn't so happy to have you here. We are happy to showcase our combined solution together with TT Tech. They're also in hall number 5, down the alley actually, where you can also see that. What it's about here? We are focusing on products, on rugged hardware. And rugged hardware, when we talk about IoT, is nothing without a solution and software on top. And this is important. And what do we normally have in the field? We do have PLCs, we have our IoT edge gateways, machine learning, and sometimes you don't want to have like a lot of devices. Sometimes you want to combine everything into one. And we showed this actually here. So we have the TT Tech platform hardware as well as software, but since it's codices, you can, if you like need ATEX, you can do it here. And maybe introduce a little bit on what we do when we partner, what is the benefit of a solution like this?
Yeah, I think the major challenge that machine builders face today, often they do not have insight how their machines are working on the shop floor and how they can improve operational efficiency of the machines. So TT Tech IoT software running on Moxa powerful industrial computer that collects data from various field buses. It has a codices of PLC inside, so data can be collected from Ethercat, Profinet, and other field buses, and can be analyzed on the edge platform. So solution can help machine builder to implement condition monitoring and predictive maintenance solutions. And in addition, it reduced hardware cost by 65%. As Philip mentioned, that it can run multiple IPC functions into a single box because it's very powerful and cost-effective industrial computer using virtualization technology and container technology. Furthermore, the solution can help machine builders to reduce service cost by about 30 to 50%, because machine builders mainly they make their money revenue like 30% via service contracts, so they can replace site visits by remote access feature, so they can remotely monitoring the machine status and they can do software updates. So yeah, if you have any other questions.
Thanks very much. You see, he's an expert. So also, if you have a question about something like this, IoT related, he's our guy. Join us, join Amjad, actually talk to him. We're happy to be here again in Nuremberg. Thanks everybody actually to get a small introduction. We will have our next broadcast tomorrow at the same time. Then we talk about all the different applications we're having on the wall. I think you don't see it right now, but it's like there. It's like big and massive. And we'll talk about all the different use cases we will have there. On the third day, we'll talk about trends, TSN and 5G. We have some leaders of the market actually here, and I'm happy to discuss that. So, thanks for jumping in. Jump here, come by, shake hands, get an EDS. Goodbye.
Goodbye.